Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep has to offer. Starting with, it is in your granite crystal metallic paint finish, so great looking color on these Jeeps. You do have the accented blackout badging as well throughout the Jeep. Coming around towards the back of the unit here, you can also see you do have your backup camera equipped there, as well as your rear park sense. So you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. So a few great safety features included for you there. Your power lift gate, as you can see there. Checking out some of the cargo space in the back here, so you can see tons of room back there to store your gear, bags, cargo kind of out of the way while on the go. That second row also does fold down flat to give you a little bit more space when those seats aren't needed. You do have your rubber floor mats included throughout the Jeep as well, so a great little accessory that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Help keep your Jeep kind of protected while on the go. Again, just your power lift gate option. So just to check out some of the features inside, so the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers. So you can see in that back seat there's a decent amount of space for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. Again, as I said, in the back there, you do have your rubber floor mats included throughout the Jeep as well. Up top, you do have your sunroof equipped on the Jeep. Just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there as well. So you do of course have access to all your audio media controls built in there, climate controls accessible in through your touchscreen as well. So you do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to some of the apps that are included in through there, your navigation's equipped, Bluetooth capabilities, and of course your settings. Just below that, again, you have access to some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there. You can toggle your park sense features on and off. You do have lane departure warning, so again, you can toggle that on and off right there. In through your center console area, you do have a little bit of storage space. You can see your audio ports just in behind there as well for USB. Keep your devices charged while on the go. Push button start just in behind there. Key fob for the unit here, so you do have remote start as well. So again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your steering wheel mounted controls, you do have access to, of course, your your cruise control options on there. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left-hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee has a great blend of features, so if you're looking for something that's a great everyday vehicle with that step up in features, this Jeep Grand Cherokee could be the option for you. If you have any other questions about it, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999, or visit us online at www.bonnyvilledodge.com.